Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change battery icon color on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to change the color of your battery icons, let's see how can you do that. If you want to change the color of this battery icons, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open up your settings, and here you have to take two different ways. The first way is that you have to enable your power in low power mode, so go for this battery option, and here you have to select the power mode from here, and then you have to enable this low power mode, and here you can see that the color has been changed. Or if you want to change the color, so there's a second way. You set open with your settings, and then here you have to go for accessibility, and then scroll down and you will get the option of per app settings. Simply select that, and here you will find the app, that is home screen and app library. If you can't find, let's see how can you add this. You have to tap on this add app option, and then select the app, home screen and app library, and then open the app, and here you just have to scroll down until you find the smart invert. Once you have that, you have to simply turn it on. Once you have turned on, now if you want to change the color of your battery, so you can see that it is automatically changing with your screen, or you can easily try to enable your dark mode. So in dark mode, you can see that your battery color has been changed. You can see there is no any battery option in your right corner. So it means that the battery colors have been converted into black. So in this way, you can easily change the battery icon color on the iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.